Hello, my little artist. Welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So, today we are going to draw a pickup truck. So, quickly bring your drawing copy, pencil, and your colors, and let's be ready. So, pickup truck drawing is very easy. It's only with straight lines and arcs. So, first we'll start with the door drawing. We'll add one window and the knob to open the door. Now, the backyard only with straight line and inverted U to fit in the wheel. The front part will be same as the back part, and let's draw one U on both of it so that it looks like wheels. For the pickup truck, we are going to make a small scenery out of it. So we are going to add bush and road. Color your pickup truck in your favorite color. Make it bright. If you have not seen a pickup truck yet, you can see in my picture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya and make the picture beautiful and bright.